Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever and whenever you are. Hi, my name is Dr. Sean Fraser. I'm the Associate Dean of Teaching and Learning in the Faculty of Health Disciplines, and I'm also the course leader for MHST 601. So this is the first course in the Master of Health Studies program. So welcome to the program and welcome to the course. Now, this course has been recently revised to a new format. And if you've taken another one of our courses, this might look a little more different and hopefully a little more modern. And I just want to welcome you to the course and the program and outline some of the sections of the course in case you're new to online learning. Now, in this particular course, we've got the course introduction is the very first link at the top. And the next link is the assessment overview, where you can discover information about the assignments, when they're due, and what is required. Now you can talk to your individual instructors to get more detail around assignment expectations. So we've got 3 sections of this course running with 3 instructors, and my job is simply to oversee the course, make sure edits are done, garner feedback from the instructors and students on ways of improving the course and so on. And that's an ongoing process that we continually engage in at Athabasca University. So in terms of the course format, on the left, you will see the basic navigation, and yours might look a little bit different, but I'll just highlight the course menu, and this will help you quickly navigate to certain sections of the course. And then the course Twitter feed. Some of the activities within the units of the course will involve using Twitter, either to tweet a blog you may have done or to tweet a resource to the course, such as a video or perhaps a journal article. And you can see I've tweeted already a brief welcome message. And Dr. Wilmot has also tweeted using the hashtag. So if you're new to Twitter, you might want to have a look at some resources. And you don't have to go to Twitter to follow the hashtag because we've embedded the feed here. Alternatively, if you are a Twitter user, you could type in the hashtag to see the brief few tweets we've added so far. Now, the course is laid out from top to bottom. This next section is a help section with a student handbook, which describes quite a few details about student processes. We also have direct links to the library, as well as the help desk should anything go wrong, some Moodle tips and training, as well as the Write site. AU's Write site helps people learn how to write. And they have tips and tricks, and you can even submit samples of writing, and they can give you some feedback. Now, just quickly looking at each week, the course is broken down into weeks here. So in week 1, we have Unit 1, Interprofessional Connectedness, and you can see a difference between these links. These links are discussion forums where you might discuss a topic, hear you introduce yourself. Digital identity room, we can exchange your digital identities, so your Twitter handle, for example. And this part is actually the content unit. So if we click on this, my face will disappear for a moment. This is the actual content unit where we describe learning outcomes, an overview of the particular unit. We might provide some learning resources later on in the course. You will provide some learning resources as part of curation strategy and finding digital information online. So let's go back to the course homepage. And each unit is like that. Each week is like that, where we will typically have the unit and the discussion forum. And within each unit are a variety of activities, which I'm sure you've had a look at. I'll just quickly click on the course introduction, and I'll wrap this up soon. In the course introduction, we describe the point of the course, the underpinnings of the course, and this particular layout involves clicking through. And here's the table of contents on the side. So you can click through here to get to the learning outcomes, learning resources, course structure, and so on. The assessment section will work the same way, so I will go back there. Then the assessment overview, you can see all of the required bits of writing that you will need to do. And again, this is the Moodle book format, so you can click either on each of these links to get more details, or you can click through the arrows. Then you can look at that and ask your instructor if you have any questions. And then finally, I'll just have a quick peek at Unit 1 for you. Just to show you, the layout is a little bit different than that book format that we had in the introduction. And so these are a variety of brief activities. But one of the main points of the course I wanted to highlight is we want to establish an interprofessional digital presence for you. And part of that is developing an e-portfolio. So at the end of the course, you will have a portfolio, which is basically a website highlighting and showcasing your work that you can share with others within your program and outside of the program to establish a broad professional network. And so we're very excited to have this formally introduced, and you can carry this throughout your program and beyond. Well, welcome to our program. We're very excited to have you here. We have some excellent instructors this term. And welcome and have fun. And I wish you all the best in the new year and in your program.